Hello beautiful people, you are welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time on my channel, you are also very much welcome. From the title you already know this is a DIY video showing you how I make this butter, which I call the everything butter. This is because I literally use this butter for everything. So what you're seeing here is my ingredients, which I will talk you through them very soon. So I am starting off with my mango butter, which is about 100 grams, exactly 100 grams here. Just to show you the consistency, mango butter is really soft and also a bit thick. It's not really light. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and it easily penetrates into your skin. Anyway, so I've got 100 grams, and I've got my coconut oil as well, which is what I'm showing you. I have got half a cup of coconut oil. It's a US size cup. And then I have got other oils I will be adding, which I will talk to you through them as the video goes on. So what I am doing here is just basically transferring my butter into the bowl that I will use to make the everything butter. So I am going to break my mango butter into little chunks, and this is solely to make it really easy for the butter to melt into oil, because we need it to melt into we need to melt it into an oil state for us to make the butter, which is why I am doing this. But if your butter is already into little chunks, then you don't have to do this. You can just go ahead and skip to the next stage. So while I am doing this, I would like to give you a little bit information about mango butter and some of the other ingredients I'm using in this video. Let's start with the main ingredient, which is the mango butter. Mango butter has an anti-inflammatory qualities, which helps to with skin dryness. It also helps with eczema, also helps with bug bite, and when it comes to your hair, it nourishes the hair, it reduces breakage by strengthening the hair follicles, and in the process promotes hair growth. So after I have finished breaking the mango butter into little chunks, I will go ahead and add some hot water in a bowl and drop my bowl with the mango butter inside. This is the process that will help melt the butter into oil. You don't want to put your butter in the microwave or even over the fire, because you want the butter to still retain its physiological and chemical properties, which if you boil them, it will alter with that and reduces the quality of the butter. So you want to do this and allow it to take as much time as it needs to melt to the oil stage. So which is what I'm doing here. So I basically allow this butter to take as much time as it needs to melt to the oil stage, and then but before it completely melts, I will add my coconut oil. The reason I didn't add it in the beginning is because they have different consistency. It would take longer time for the mango butter to melt, so I just wanted it to melt to a certain level when I know that yes, it is almost on the same level with the coconut oil, and then I'll add the coconut oil and leave it together for the two butters to melt. So while I am doing this, I will tell you about the oils I'm adding. In this video, I'm using sweet almond oil. I am using avocado oil as well, and then I'll be using an essential oil. So I'll tell you a little bit about avocado oil, and this is because I really love this oil. Avocado oil is very nourishing, and it hydrates the skin, it reduces wrinkles, and it helps to boost any tired looking skin. So if you're looking to repair your skin generally, avocado oil is something I will advise you incorporate into your skin regimen. It's really rich in all the properties you need to help heal your skin and make your skin look bright and glowy. And then when it comes to your hair, I love avocado on my hair, which is why every deep conditioner I make sure that I add avocado oil to it, because it penetrates through my hair follicles. It helps to stimulate blood flow and unclogs any blocked hair follicles. in the process it stimulates growth and help your hair to grow. So it's really beneficial. And in this video um I used a cold pressed avocado oil. It's different um from your normal oils. When an oil is cold pressed, it basically means it was extracted naturally, so it still has its physical and chemical properties, which still retains its original taste as well and its original smell. So all the important ingredients you use is still in the oil. So it is, I always try to look for cold pressed oils to buy as opposed to the regular oils. And you can see from this oil that yes, this is really cold pressed, because look at the color. There's some other avocado oils out there that is so clear. So this is cold pressed, which is why it looks like this, just in case you're wondering. And then I will add half a cup of that. After that, I will be adding half a cup of the sweet almond oil as well. I love sweet almond oil because my hair loves it, and I know it's really good for the skin as well. So, but like I said, with this recipe, feel free to switch or swap any oils of your choice. These oils I'm using is because I use them and I love them, which is why I'm using it. So by all means, use what works for you, but just follow the same process. So I've added all my oils and all my butters. The only thing I haven't added is my essential oil, which will be the last thing I'll add and at the last stage. So at this point, all I'm going to do is take my oil and transfer it into my fridge, not my freezer, because the freezer it freezes the oil differently. So this is what you want. You don't want it too frozen, so it's almost still watery at the same time it is almost on the solid state. So this is perfect because this will make it fluffier as opposed to when it's properly frozen. And then if you want your oil to be softer and really fluffy, then you should have, if you want your butter, I mean, to be really soft and fluffy, then you should have more oils than butter. So you can see in my ingredient here, I only had 100 gram of mango butter. Every other thing there was oil. Coconut oil is oil as well, even though it looks a bit solid. So yeah, so it will make your butter softer and fluffier if you add more oils as opposed to putting more butter, if that makes sense. Anyway, so I am using my hand mixer to mix until I get the perfect consistency, and it's really up to you how much fluffy and really light you want it. So the longer you do it, the fluffier it becomes. So I'm just doing that till I get the perfect consistency, and I usually stop once my butter has doubled in size, and you can see it's already getting it's almost looking double the original oil that I added. So now I'm adding the cedarwood oil, and this is because cedarwood is really good for your skin as well. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which is very beneficial for the skin. It helps with acne, it helps with scars, and it helps in healing wounds as well. Added about 15 to 20 drops, which is equivalent to about I think a teaspoon of it. But when it comes to the essential oil as well, you can use any essential oil of your choice. Yeah, so basically that's all the process. And then I will go ahead and just transfer this butter into any container of my choice, and your everything butter is ready. Like I said, I use this on my skin, my hair, dry skin, whatever. So this is like an everything butter, like I said. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, and I hope you give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you get to subscribe, because I've got lots and lots of content that you would be interested in. And feel free to share this video with anyone that you think might find it useful. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.